Students, let us see how to write exercise. That means pointers. Rewrite the poem in the form of a prose passage. Listen the model answer and write your own answer afterwards. The poet saw a donkey that was just 1 day old. The donkey's or its head was too big for his neck to hold, and its legs were long, loose, and shaky. They moved suddenly and unsteadily and did not seem to be of much use. It tried to run and leap playfully, but it did not seem quite sure how it was done. His peculiar little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a pretty way. His face looked hopeful and he appeared to be thinking about life. Feeling adventurous, he moved round awkwardly, searching for something. Then he lay flat on the ground to rest. The poet says that the little donkey looked small and weak, and he prayed that the world would be kind to him. See, second question. List the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So, let us see the rhyming words here. Very simple. Old, hold. Lose, use. Bit, it. Grey, way. Doubt, about. Quest, rest. Slim, him. And next one is, what does the poet pray for and why? The poet prayed for donkey because the donkey looked small and weak. One should be kind enough to take care of it. See the next question. Have you seen a newborn young one of animal? Students, you might have seen, all of you. Then write about your experience. Fifth one is, talk to your parents and family members. Write what you could do when you were a day old, 1 month old, you were 6 months old, you were 1 year old. So, and get answer from them and write in your workbook. Next one is, form groups and hold debates on the following topics. Make bulleted list of points in favor and those against, pros and cons, the given statement. Let the whole class vote on who won the debate. Here now we are not going to do this one because when the school starts then only it is possible. Now what should you do? Discuss with your parents, elder brothers, sisters and try to write answer. First point is, man should use animals for his own needs. Which are the points favor and points against? Now see the points favor. That means pros. Man helps animals in many ways. They too should help. Domestic animals like cats, dogs, cows are used by man. In return, they get food and shelter and safe from predators. And second point is, certain jobs can be done neither by men nor machines. Hence, we need animals. What are the points against or cons? Animals are living beings like man. Man has no right to over them. Do animals use man for their needs? No, they don't. So why should man? Human beings can be cruel and abuse the animals that work for them. So there are points for favor and against, and write down the second point also. Find what the young ones of the following animals are called. See, let me tell answer. Donkey, foal, horse, colt, lion, cub, tiger, cub, elephant, calf, sheep. What is the young one of sheep? Lamb, goat, kid, cow, calf, pig, piglet, whale, calf, owl, owlet, swan, cygnet, eagle, eaglet, duck, duckling,